Hello everyone. In this class, I will be explaining how to configure ASA. ASA is Adaptive Security Appliance. It is Adaptive Security Appliance. It is a firewall that monitors the traffic, network traffic, to block or allow the packets to enter one region to another region, one zone to another zone, and I'm starting. This is practical. This is the packet tracer. I'm moving ASA to the workspace, and router is moved into workspace, and server is placed here, and switch is moved into workspace, and end devices like this one PC is dragged into workspace. So the first step is to make the topology. We're making the topology to configure ASA. ASA is Adaptive Security Appliance. Appliance is device. To connect the router to server, since these two are the same type, one can use crossover cable. To connect this ASA device, ASA appliance router, one can use copper straight through cable. Same can be used to connect copper straight through cable, can be used to connect switch to ASA. And automatic cable is used to connect PC to switch. Then connections are over, and now we are using. You have to interface names should be displayed beside the appliances. So here this is ET00, ET00, ET 0/0. This is the addressing, the IP address that I'm using is on 109.165.200.26. This is ET0/1. ET ET0/1. The IP address that is using is 192.168.1.1. And the IP address of the router interface is FA0/1. 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 The IP address that we are using is 265.165.200.200.25. Another interface of router is FA00. FA00. The IP address is 8.8.8.1. The server's address is 8.8.8.8. 8.8.8. So here the ASA that I was using is already configured with some configuration. Because we want to use the new addresses, that should be deleted. The old configuration should be deleted. CLI. For that we are entering CLI of ASA. Enable. There is no password that. So show running configuration config. Here DSCPD address 192.168.1.5, 192 to 192.168.136 is already pre-configured. We want to delete that and we want to configure our own addresses. For that purpose, we have to delete that one. No. Copy. We have to enter it in configuration mode. Config. T. No. Yes. Now we can check it, whether it is deleted or not. Exit. Exit. Show running config. You can observe that this is deleted. The DSCP dynamic host and acquiring addresses of LAN is deleted. So DHCP is used to acquire address in LAN. So there are certain steps. There are certain steps to configure ASA. Steps are initially make the topology. Second step is assigning IP addresses. Assigning IP addresses. Set as make the topology, assign IP. Third step is set as inside and outside the address of ASA. Here we have to configure the name if inside, name if inside, name if inside. Name config the interface VLAN. We are configuring inside the LAN interface. Name if inside IP address IP address 192.168.1 255 255.0. Next is security level. Security level is 100. The more the value of security level is the lesser this security level is, less trusted it is, trusted. Security level 100 is is assigned to the LAN zone. Security level is 100, and interface ET interface ET 0/1 switch port as access VLAN 1. Yes, the first inside address is over. The first inside addressing is completed. Now we have to move to outside addressing. Interface VLAN 2 name if outside IP address 201.165.200.26 255.255.254. This is subnet mask. Security level is security level is 0. The less the value of security level is, the less trusted zone it is. Less trusted zone. Interface ET 0/0 switch port access VLAN 2 it is. Exit. Both interface both the input inside and outside configuration is over now. Now it is. Now we have to configure this LAN. Inside LAN should get address from the ASA. this address PC0 and PC1 should acquire the address from DHCP of ASA. For that purpose, we have to configure DHCP server and DNS IP addresses. Configure T DHCP DHCPD address 192.168.1.5 to 192.168.1.30 inside. Now it is we have to configure the DNS also. DHCPD PD DNS 209.165.200.227 interface inside. Yes. Interface inside. After that, interface inside. Command is leave. Command what is DHCP enable inside. DHCPD enable inside. Enable inside. Yes, exit. Now the LAN PCs can acquire the address from ASA. We can check that now. Let's go. I will configuration. Yes, we got the address. We got the address from ASA. This is okay. Next PC is PC1 desktop. DHCP. We got the address. It is acquired address from ASA's DHCP. DHCP. Now it is what we have to do is we have to only this ASA has got one interface. Other interface should be given outside addressing. To do that, we have to route outside. Configure T route outside route outside route outside 0 0 0 dot 0 209 dot 165 dot 200 dot 225. Yes, that's all. Exit. Now we have to configure access list and object network inside net object config T object network inside net subnet 192.168.1.0 255.255.0. Object inside net inside outside dynamic interface. Dynamic NAT is not net, it is NAT. Inside outside dynamic interface NAT inside outside inside outside dynamic interface NAT inside outside dynamic interface. NAT inside outside dynamic NAT inside outside dynamic interface. NAT inside outside dynamic interface. Yes, this is successful. Now it is we have to configure access list. Access list exit config T access list LAN outside or LAN out LAN to outside LAN to out access list extended access list LAN to outside LAN out extended permit TCP any for ICMP access list access list LAN to out LAN to LAN out LAN to extended LAN to out extended permit ICMP any ICMP any now we have to configure as access group LAN out in interface outside interface outside access group LAN out in interface outside. LAN to out LAN access group LAN to out LAN to out in interface LAN to out in interface outside. Yes, happy to accept it. So this access list is over, and the access group is also over, and almost every command is entered. Now I have to check if the ping works. I mean, here router 0. No, what to say no. It is router's CLI. Enable config T interface yeah. F 0/1 IP address 209.165 not 200 not 225 255 separate mask is 255 no 224 no shutdown. Now another interface is there, and it is phase 00 interface FA 0/0 IP address 8.8.8.1 255 0. No shutdown. Now we have to configure server. Desktop is 8.8.8.8. Server mask is 255 dot 255 dot 0. Default gateway is 8.8.8.1. Now should ping PC 0 should ping 8888 server and as well as the outside addresses. This is the LAN, it is inside zone, this is the outside zone, and this router, this ASA will be blocking or allowing the network traffic in and out of the zone. Ping 9.165 Now 200, now 225. Yes, it is successful. Ping 8 dot. Yes, this is also successful. So ping is 209 dot 165 dot 200 dot 225. Now it is completed. It is pinging in the outside zone.